Hi, I'm Mark, and I created BookkeeperXL. I want to be clear about something. BookkeeperXL is in Excel spreadsheets, but you don't have to know anything about Excel spreadsheets. Everything is there for you to just make your entries for your bookkeeping or accounting. There's nothing you have to do, but there are a couple of little tricks that you get through having this on Excel that I want to show you. So here's one, for example. Let's say I'm working on month 1. I don't necessarily want to see the rest of these months, okay? So what I can do is click on a month, month 2, press the control key, click month 3, month 4, month 5, month 6. Let's say those are ones I don't necessarily have to see because I'm not working on them. I do a right click, click hide, and they're gone. If you want to unhide them, let's go back to month 1, right click, unhide, and you will see you have month 2, month 3, also the general journals that I've hidden. So it's very simple to do that, okay? So another thing is with BookkeeperXL, I have mentioned in a prior video that we have what we call projects. Now, one video I set up project 1 to be administrative, but let's say you've got somewhere between 6 and 10 projects going at one time that you're making entries to. But let's say you've got 10 projects and you don't necessarily want to see 11 through 24, which are empty. If we go to the projects, you can see at the top of the projects, each project is in a column, so that let's say you have 10 projects going, okay? And down here we can slide across. There's a little slide at the bottom, and so we could see all the rest of the projects, but you're not using them, so we don't necessarily need to see them. Let's say we've got 10 projects going. I want to hide projects 11 through 24. So what I do, project 11 is column L. I click on the L. Then after I click it on, I can click it with my left click and drag it across right through project 24. I want to leave the total there. Okay, now you see all of these are filled in. Now anywhere you can do a right click and hide, and those are all hidden, right? So now down here we have that bar that we could pull over so that we could go back to the start and see everything from administrative through project 10 and total. Now, if I want to unhide these again, because I'm going to start using more than 10 projects, I can do just click on K, keep that left click down if you want, drag it across to the total, do a right click, unhide, and all the other projects will show up. Okay, now you got all of them available to you. So that's how you hide the columns. You could do one at a time or as many as you want. So now you know how to hide and unhide tabs, how to hide columns, unhide columns. If you want to magnify, below that is a little slide that has a minus and a plus sign. You click that. Let's magnify it so we can focus in on some numbers that are easier to see. Then we back it off again to where it was. All right, so we know how to hide columns. We know how to hide tabs. We know how to zoom in and zoom out. And we also know how to slide across right to left. That's it for this one, guys. Thank you.